Model, 2019 Ford Transit 350L3 diesel rear-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 170ps H3 van spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 165399. MOT, 6 August 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 170ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snapped, simple easy repair for someone who knows what they are doing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.